Hello everyone, in this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will create a miter flange in sheet metal SolidWorks. Let's start. File, new, part, OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white and the unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay. In order to bring the sheet metal tab, you click any tab, right click, tab, and sheet metal click. But I have the already sheet metal tab. In this way, you can bring the sheet metal tab. Right click on the any tab, and sheet metal. Check it, and this tab will come here. Okay. In this exercise, we will create miter flange. So for this, first we will have to make a sketch, top plane, this one, center rectangle, this one. This dimension I am taking 200. As per your requirement, you can take smart dimension. This is I am taking 100 mm only, or 120 you can take. Okay. This is the now sheet metal base flange. Base flange, this is the thickness. Thickness you can reverse the direction from here. You will see here. You can reverse the direction from here, upside or down. As per drawing, you can take the direction. Okay, K factor is 0.5, that is default. Relief we will not provide here. Okay, this one. Inside band radius you can change from here also. This one, this is the 2 mm inside band radius. This band radius must be equal to sheet thickness or more than that. Okay. This one. This is this thing. In edge flange we have only single wall, and there is one flange only we create in the edge flange. But miter flange, there are multiple flanges. In miter flange, while we create a miter flange, we will create the multiple walls in flanges. Okay, this is the difference with normal edge flange and this miter flange. I will show you. Suppose miter flange, click on miter flange. Now system asks a plane, planar face or edge. You select. Suppose I select this face. This face I am selecting normal. Okay. Now whatever the shape you want, you can draw on this face. I am taking the line. This one. This one, this one, this one. You can taper also. You can take taper also. This you can taper also. You can take it. Suppose you can tape. I am taking per straight. Okay. This one. This length. Shift and this length. Sorry. This length. Sorry, this length, shift and this length equal. Okay, and this length and this length equal. I am taking equal, but you can take as per your requirement. Okay, dimension, this is I am taking only 15 mm, and this I am taking 12 mm only. This one. Okay. Sheet metal, miter flange, this one. This way is miter flange create. You are seeing there are the multiple flanges you create. 1 wall, 2 wall, 3 wall, 4 wall. But in the normal edge flange, there is a single wall only, one flange only. Okay, this is the difference. Flange position you can check from this. At this time you can see front view. The metal is inside. You can take metal outside. You can take bend outside in this way. As per drawing, you can take this position. Gap is 0.25 and I am taking inside the metal. Okay. And start and end offset. You can change this position. Suppose I take it 5 mm starting end, this one. So you will see there is a flange shifted at a distance of 5 mm from the starting point. And suppose this side taking the 10 mm. You will see the end of the flange shifted at a distance of 10 mm. but I am not taking, I am taking 0. This one. Okay, this is the isometric view. This one. Now select this and this one, and this one. You will see at ends of the flanges, is 45 degree they meet by default. Okay, you can see this position. This is the at a 45 degree the ends of the flanges meet. Okay, this I am okay. Gap you can change it. Suppose I can change 0.5 gap, 0.50 gap. This one. This is the gap 0.5. I will show you. This one. This is the gap between. If you see, there is a gap between the flanges. This one, top view. This one. Suppose you can measure, evaluate, measure. You can measure from here. This is this one. You can see there is a gap of 0.5. This one, distance 0.50. This is a 0.50 gap between the flanges. Okay. Okay, this is the difference in the edge flange. There is a single wall. You can see there is a single wall. You can see the sketch. And with miter flange, you can create a multiple flanges at one time. Okay, this is the difference between the two. Now you can give the color for this one, appearance, and this one. Suppose I give this color, this one, and this one, sheet metal isometric. This is a meter flange. Okay, suppose I flatten it, this one flatten view. In order to cut on CNC machines or any cutting CNC machine, 2D file is required for the 3D model. So you can convert into DXF file for AUTOCAD. AUTOCAD file is applicable on the CNC machine. So in order to convert the DXF file, right click on this thing, export to DXF, and you can save in the required path and give the name of the part. Suppose I give the name ASD, anything you can give the name, DXF file, save it. And this window comes, sheet metal, select whatever parameter you required, sheet hidden edges, band lines, forming tool if they are here, you can take bounding box, that is the outer box, outer line, this bounding box is there. And in this way you can save it. And save it. This figure comes. This file is used on all CNC cutting machine, computerized machine, in order to cut the material. These are the band lines. Okay, and save it. This is and this way you can flatten, uncheck this thing. This is a flatten. You can make the drawing also, 2D drawing also. How? File, go, make drawing from part. This one. File must be saved. Okay, save. Suppose I take it miter flange. Suppose I give the name miter flange, MITER, miter flange. Okay, this one. I save it first. Now this window comes. You can you can select the required format, drawing format. In what format you? Suppose I take the this A3 ISO size. I select this format. Okay, this one. This is the task pane you are seeing, and this is the view palette. I am taking view palette. In the view palette, left and right hand side, you will see all the view comes here, and this is this meter flange comes here. From here, if the part doesn't come here, you can browse the part from here. Click these 3 dots and select the part, required part, and bring it. Okay, and this is the refresh button. You want to cancel it, this one. Suppose you want from here, you can properties, you can select the scale of the drawing, and first angle, third angle. You can still change the sheet format also, you can change it. Okay, I am taking third angle, and 1:2 is the scale of the sheet. Okay, this one. Now again, view palette, this is a view palette. View palette, front view. This is the front. You can take it top view. You can take it. This is isometric view. This one, and this is the right. Front, top, and this one. This one. This is the parent view. If you drag parent view, all the two views moves simultaneously. Okay, and this one. This one. Select the view. Model items. You select this one, this, and selected feature. Yes, the dimensions comes automatically here. This one. Select it. Tangent edges removed. This is the clear view. If you want to remove the tangent edges, you can remove it for the clear image. Right click, tangent edges removed here. In same way, right click, tangent edges removed. Now you can clearly give the dimension. This is 120, 200, and height you can give here. Annotation, smart dimension you can give here. This one, 32. This one you can give the dimension from here. Okay, width is also here given. Here you can take from here also. This is the isometric view. Scale the change. Okay, this one. And suppose you want to take the flat view palette, you can take the view palette. View palette in the flatten view. Flat pattern. This is a flat pattern. Okay, flat pattern you can bring here. Suppose you want to change the scale of this one. There is user defined. This one, select the view. This one, this scale of this one. Suppose you want to change the scale 1:4 is small, and you want to rotate the view. This one, select the view, and this rotate the view and 90 degree. You can rotate the view. This one, apply, close. This one, you can. This is the flatten view. In the flatten view conditions, if you confuse about this thing, you can bring a table from here. How? Table, and this is the band table. This one. You can change the nomenclature. One you want in the ABC format, 1, 2, 3 format, or you can change the border line thickness. You can increase from here, and this is the inside line thickness. You can change here from. Suppose this is 0.25 also you want here, and format you can this one, and this table comes here in this way. Suppose any this you don't want, don't delete column. This you can delete. You can format also this one. So this table comes here this way. Suppose select it. You want to edit it. This one. Select all this one. You want to make it bold. You can select it. This one, and you can bold it. You can increase the size. Like Excel, you can modify this thing. Now the ABC letters comes here. This ABC down 90 degree, B this one. If you are still confusing, you want to add ladders. This one, suppose double click, you give the ladders this one, and you give this ladder and this position. This one you can give the ladder at the band position, and you can select by pressing this shift, this shift, press shift, this all the letters you can select and add the ladders. This one, and this one, and you can select this one. Okay, and you can OK it. Give the required position. This is the, if you are still you avoid the tags, you can give the letters position here. This is the band table here. In this way you can make the 2D drawing for this one. You give the dimension also, smart dimension, this one, this one, this one. You can give the dimension also. Okay, and this way you can give the dimension also. From here you can give this dimension. You can, in this way you can give the dimension. In this way you can make the 2D drawing also. This is the isometric scale. From here you can change 1:, this one. Select the view, you can change the scale of this thing. In this way you can make the drawing. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share, and you please share to most of the people, and subscribe also. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much.